Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another updo hairstyle. I've been wearing this look for the past week or so, and I've received plenty comments and some questions on the hairstyle, so I thought I'd come back and do another updo look for you. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. So I started off by making 3 sections. I have the front section that goes off to the side, sort of like a bang, and then I just parted my hair in the center at the back, and I've got 2 large sections. So I started off by taking 2 sections at the top of my head, one from each side. And then what you're going to do is you just keep feeding from the right hand side. You bring it over and you try to keep everything centered at the back of your head. Then I pick up some hair from the left and I bring it over. Then I just try to keep everything taut. And I bring more hair from the right hand side. Then I bring it over the hair in the center. I keep tension on that, and then I pick up more hair from the left hand side, then I bring it over and I continue to keep tension over that as well. So I keep repeating this process until I get to the nape of my head. Then at the nape you can just either do a 2-strand twist or you can just braid up your hair, and then I'll just tuck it in at the bottom. So for my side bang, I just split my hair into 2 equal parts. Then I just proceeded to just roll that, and then I just tucked it into the back. And when I do tuck it into the back with the pin, I always try to hide the pin with my hair so that it's not visible. And this is how I achieved this updo. I hope you enjoyed the look and you thumbs up this video. See you on the next one. Bye.